Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create an Outlook email template with destination emails, subject, and body pre-filled. This is incredibly useful when you send similar emails repeatedly, like follow-ups, meeting requests, or standard responses. Instead of typing everything from scratch each time, you'll have a ready-to-use template that saves you time and ensures consistency. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. This ensures you have access to all the tools and features needed to create and save your template properly. Once your emails have loaded, you'll want to access your email composition tools. Look at the top left part of your screen and click on the New Email button. This will open a fresh email composition window where you can start building your template from scratch. Now, from the email composition screen, start filling out all the fields you want to be pre-filled in your template. In the To field, enter the destination email addresses you want this template to automatically include. Next, move to the subject line and type in the subject you want to use repeatedly. Finally, in the body of the email, write out the message content exactly as you want it to appear every time you use this template. Take your time here to make sure everything is worded correctly, as this will be your default structure moving forward. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, it's time to save this as a reusable template. Direct your attention to the top part of your screen and click on the File menu. This will open a drop-down with several options. From this menu, click on Save As. A File Explorer window will appear, allowing you to choose where you want to save this template on your computer. Navigate to the folder or directory where you'd like to store it for easy access later. Before you finalize and save the file, there's one crucial step you need to complete. Look for the Save As type drop-down menu at the bottom of the File Explorer window. Click on it and make sure to select Outlook Template from the list. This is essential because it tells Outlook to save your email as a .oft file, which is the format recognized as a template. If you skip this step, it will save as a regular message file and won't function as a template. After selecting Outlook Template, go ahead and click the Save button. Your template is now created and stored, ready to be used whenever you need it. You can access it anytime by going to New Items, choosing More Items, and then selecting Choose Form to load your saved template. And that's it. You've successfully created an Outlook email template with pre-filled destination emails, subject, and body. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.